Hi, my name is Bobby Kurpinsky with Northpointe Bank, and I want to teach you today about the basic principles of paying off your mortgage in 5 to 7 years using a home equity line of credit, and best of all, without changing your current budget. I came across this concept about 5 years ago from a colleague of mine who explained this is the way that wealthy people and homeowners in the UK and Australia have been paying off their homes for decades. He mentioned that they view money in their checking and savings account as a liability since it does nothing for them, sitting in the account earning close to zero interest. You see, with the home equity line of credit, or HELOC, you can move money freely in and out of this account 24/7, 365 days a year. You pay all of your bills through the equity line and deposit all of your paychecks into the equity line, just like you do with your current checking account. By doing this, you're going to accelerate your mortgage payoff and have it paid in full in 1/3 of the time. So instead of paying off your mortgage in 30 years, you're going to open a HELOC using your existing cash flow and just redirect your money through this HELOC instead of your current checking savings account like you're used to. A simple change like this is going to save you tens, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars in interest and allow you to become your own bank. These are just the basics on how this concept works, but in 16 years as a mortgage banker, I have not found a more profound way to build wealth and become debt-free. Be sure to watch our other videos where we dive deeper into this concept. You can also visit our website below for more information.